Hello, how is everyone today? I thought it was time to do another. Um, it's not in a box, so we'll call it an unbagging and first impression flip through. I have. Um, I was having some wants for some seasonal decks. Oracle decks. I don't have as many Oracle decks as I do tarot. And so I was on Etsy shopping around one day and run across this shop uh, that had these two beautiful Oracle decks, and I decided to order them. And they just came today. So I've already cut one end of the bag open. And these come from the Midnight Oracle shop on Etsy. I'll put her link down below. But we have two decks in here. And this is the way that she packages them. It was disclosed on Etsy that they would be in organza bags. I knew that going in, and I was fine with that. So here we go. I've already opened this one up. Let's start with it because this is for fall. This is called the Autumn Inspirations Oracle deck. And let's see, how is this going to work? This one says, what, back and forth? They each have like a title on it, a picture, a title, and then three keywords. And I kind of like that type of Oracle deck. So since I have them turned away from me for the camera, I'm just going to do a silent flip through. These are the lovely backs. Decent card stock. But I think they're simply beautiful and very fitting for the fall season. I know this one is saying bountiful harvest. And this is breaking away. And a bright spark. Well, I said I was going to be quiet. I just can't be quiet, can I? Clever solutions. A cute little fox. Crowning glory. Crystal something. I think that's a deep connection. Yeah, deep connection. Aren't these just beautiful? Divine guidance. Oh, they're so beautiful. Drop anchor. I can't wait to use these in a spread. They're just so beautiful. They are standard tarot size from what I can tell. It's a thin enough card stock that my little hands are stretched to the limits, but you see that I can riffle shuffle, which is kind of nice. I kind of like doing that. But let's see what they would look like in a spread. Yeah, I think I'm going to enjoy these a lot. Okay, and so that is the Autumn Inspirations Oracle, and she has quite a few Oracle decks in her shop to choose from. The other thing that I wanted, Christmas is coming up soon. This will be my first Christmas in the tarot world. So I wanted, I'm in the process of finding me a Christmas tarot deck. But I had the opportunity, I saw this for, oh, look at here. She included some, thank you for your order. If you have any concerns, oh, 25% off of my next order. Oh, that's nice. We will definitely lay that to the side. Card of the week. The enclosed card is intuitively chosen for you. Keep it in view for inspiration, guidance, and support. Or this comes from another one of her oracle decks, the Ouija oracle deck. And I got hope. Keep the faith. Don't give up. Expect a miracle. That was kind of her. We all can use some hope. So this is the, it's not, I don't know that it's specifically for Christmas, but the name of it is the Hello Winter Oracle. Wrapped up, you're close to finishing. Oh, that's the, oh, well, that's the backs. And we'll just start at the front. Again, I think she does hers alphabetical. So we'll just do the same thing we did before. I'll turn them to the camera and flip through. Now these I've seen them all on her site, but as you've seen, I just opened this one. I haven't flipped through this deck yet. So I'm seeing some of these images up close for the first time too. Cup of kindness. Oh, can't we all use some? Now this has got a title and then a little sentiment up underneath. Cup of kindness. Love will show the way. It's looking like this is more of a winter theme than a Christmas theme, but that'll be okay too. I know for me, I love, what drew me to this is the holly. I love holly and pine cones and red ribbons for Christmas. I'm an old-fashioned girl. I grew up with the colored lights on the tree and candy canes. So this color palette just suits me perfect for the winter and Christmas season. Christmas gnome. Now that's that card right there. This Cardinal Spirit Readings. And when I saw that cardinal, I was like, oh my goodness. And it says, keeping the faith, there is always hope. Indeed. The little puppy with the Santa Claus hat. So they may not seem like they are a little different than most of my other oracle cards, but I think that was part of the charm for me, part of what drew me to them. They were something simple and direct, something seasonal is what I was looking more for than something something fun and seasonal instead of something spiritually stirring or you know, thought evoking. But I think they're going to definitely have their niche in my practice. Um, I like them. And so that's the unboxing of Autumn Inspirations and Hello Winter Oracle decks. Again, they come from the Midnight Oracle shop, and her link will be in the description box down below. If you are if you have subscribed to this channel, thank you. If you have not, please click the subscribe button. You only have to do it once. It'll just put me in your feed. They won't charge you anything. If you click on the bell, then it will notify you when I upload new content. If you like my videos, then give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what it is you like, what you don't. Make suggestions for other content you'd like to see me to create. Share my videos with your friends. All of these things are free for you, but they will help my channel to grow. And I am grateful for everything you do to help this channel to grow. So, have a good day. Bye.